A very good afternoon to all of you colleagues. Then I want to say to the congregation today, it is my honor and a privilege to welcome you to this program. We have started this program some time back, and it is our trademark as Umlazi District, and we will not end it until we all leave this particular district, because this is an excellent district that is aiming to always remain at the top. And it is because of the contributions of these colleagues that we are bidding farewell today, that we are at the top in terms of performance, we are at the top in terms of being a family, we are at the top in terms of unity. You are all welcome to this deeply meaningful occasion. I want to honor our retirees wonke. Ngizowamenshina nje mhlawumbe sengiwa-highlight-ele, but Ubaba Buthelezi, who was a Chief Education Specialist acting in examination services, you were a pillar of strength, Baba Buthelezi, ensuring integrity, compliance and credibility of assessments, of the assessment system. Your calm leadership, precision and unwavering commitment to clean examination have left an indelible mark. Siyabonga. Thank you for safeguarding the future of our learners with such diligence. Ubaba Ntanjana has been in the system as we give as we present tokens to them, but it's important that at least we show that each and every person that is here. Siyabonga nawe mama, makoti wami, sibonga kakhulu that you have been a pillar of support for Ubaba Buthelezi. Mama Ntanjana, siyabonga the support that you have given Ubaba, because you were the fuel, you were the wings beneath his wings as he was executing his duty. And sibonga kakhulu ngalokho. Ubaba Ntanjana was a senior education specialist in the governance and management, a custodian of policy, governance structures and sound school management. Yikho ubaba umthiyane uma ekhuluma ethi ukhuluma nge-quality of the schools that are there, ukhuluma nge-quality of governance, because he speaks good governance. Because one of the pillars esikhuluma ngawo manje ku-service administration is to ensure that we have clean and good governance in our system. Siyabonga Baba Ntanjana for that. Your wisdom guided principals, SGBs and district officials through complex governance terrain with stability and clarity. Thank you for being a voice of reason and a champion of accountability.